many pointless discovery calls have you had in the last month? Imagine if you could know 3 minutes into the conversation whether or not this lead was going to buy, but you don't. So you have to spend 40 minutes of your life wasting time on a lead that would never convert. So here's how I would use AI to solve that problem forever. So here's the exact system that I would build to pre-qualify every single lead before your team spends a single minute of their time. So after a user submits a form that includes things like the website, a name, budget, things that qualify them and signal buying intent, we get an AI system to analyze their website. It checks things like performance metrics, content structure, competitive positioning, and anything else that will help a marketing agency understand how this client can benefit from their services. And now we use that information that was gathered from AI to score the lead based on how much you can help them as a marketing agency. And this information is passed all onto an AI voice agent that calls the lead within minutes of them submitting a form. Now on this call, the AI voice assistant pre-qualifies them first by providing them value based on the AI scoring system and the website analysis. This AI voice assistant gives the warm lead points of improvement based on this website analysis that was done from the website scrape. And then it asks further prompting questions to understand if this lead can really benefit from your services as a marketing agency. So this assistant is quite smart. It can determine if the lead is qualified based on the metrics that you would need to qualify someone, and if they're not qualified. That can all be fine-tuned to your specific use case. But just in general, if they are qualified, it will send them a booking link for a strategy call with a member of your team. And if they're not qualified, it adds them into a nurture sequence by first sending them a PDF that might include things of how they can optimize their website further. That's just how you can nurture unqualified leads. So let me show you the back end of the system and how it exactly works. So we've got two make scenarios here that we're using, and we're also using VAPI to make the calls. So this make scenario works like this. So first the tally form is submitted, and it just gets all the information that was submitted by the warm lead. And this HTTP step right here, it scrapes the warm lead's website and just gets everything that's on their website, all their pages, all their copy, and just gets a great understanding of how the website works and what the company actually does. And then this is just a text parser. This changes HTML to text, which is good for ChatGPT because that's what we're using to analyze and find points of improvement that will be passed on to the AI voice assistant. So here we're just using ChatGPT, waiting for it to load. So we basically prompted saying it's a senior growth strategist working for a marketing agency. Your task is to review a prospective client's website and assess their positioning, offer clarity, brand perception, and lead generation setup. And we passed in all the information that was gotten from a website. So it's not like this AI analyzer is just coming up with random stuff. It's actually coming up with stuff which is applicable to the person who just submitted the form. We use that to edit the script for the AI voice assistant. So we're basically injecting it with the real live data of what this AI step did. And we're just basically making it a bit more personalized as well. So now we're just getting the AI voice assistant from VAPI. I'll show you that in just a second. And this is just some formatting stuff to actually just make the call to the user. So here is VAPI. This is a platform that allows you to use AI voice in many different applications. You can have inbound, outbound. This is outbound, for example. Here's the first message, and this is just a dynamic variable. So this will actually be filled out with the lead's name once they submitted the form from the form and it just tells us Amber calling from Conversion Craft, just had a look at your website and had a quick idea for you, got a few minutes. And this will just go through a qualification, and here in the prompt we just basically got the instructions for the AI voice assistant and the qualification metrics and stuff like that. So obviously we're going to go through the call, but I think these are just the finer details that we don't really have to look at too much right now. So we've just got another make scenario that AI voice assistant uses when it needs to send information based on whether the lead is qualified or not. So if they are qualified, it sends them an SMS to their number saying, "Hi name, excited to work with you, here's our booking link," and it sends them a booking link. If not, you can just send them a PDF download. And finally, every single thing that was said on the call is saved on a Google Sheet, so you can know exactly the summary of the AI voice assistant, the success evaluation, and you just get a whole host of information like the cost, the duration, and you can actually listen to the transcript to see if the voice assistant is doing things in the way you want. So that is the system and how it works. So if you want all these scenarios for yourself, just DM me, make in the comments down below. So let's get into the call. You'll see exactly how it works, and yeah, let's do this. So let's go over this tally lead form together. So I just basically created this lead form for any generic marketing agency. I just came up with a name called Conversion Craft. And this is just the lead form of like typical information that a marketing agency will be looking for. So I'm just going to give it my name, my last name, job title CEO, phone number, and just going to give it some information about my company. So it's Next Orbit AI, company size 1 to 10, company website. Now I'm going to go to my website, and on my website it's just about, has some testimonials and just about what I do and my business. So this is obviously going to be needed by a marketing agency to know exactly what they can deliver for me. So I just also need to click I'm available for call in the next 5 minutes, because obviously we don't want them to submit this form and just ignore the phone call. So I'm going to click submit here, and now it's submitted. Now let's head over to make.com and click run once. Let's say use existing data. That's just the form submission. So usually this would happen automatically. It's just because I turned the scenario off, so it won't really work. So what's happening right now is my website just got scraped by this HTTP module. So I just got all the information from my website, and ChatGPT used that to come up with improvement points based on what my website had. So it even has a summary here. Next Orbit AI provides customized AI solutions, including chatbots, whatever. So you can see that this is actual information that comes from the website, and it's not just some random information that AI spews out. It's tailored specifically to the website, which I put in the lead form. So it's really personalized, and that will be sent over to the AI voice assistant to basically enhance its script a bit more, and so it can provide value to me. So this just finished right now, and I should be expecting a call very soon from the AI voice assistant, and I'll put it on speaker so you can hear everything that's going on. It takes just maybe a few seconds. I'll be getting the call. Took a bit, but here's the phone call.
It's Amber calling from Conversion Craft. Just had a look at your website and had a quick idea for you. Got a few minutes?
Yeah, I do.
Great. So we're doing brief check-ins with select businesses like Next Orbit AI after reviewing their website.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Especially around lead generation. Fantastic. I noticed a couple of areas where enhancing your lead generation could really boost your growth. Is improving growth or marketing a priority for you right now?
Yeah, most definitely. I'm trying to get as many clients as possible.
That's excellent to hear. One quick insight from your website. While you have a prominent CTA for booking a discovery call, making your lead generation forms more visible and user-friendly could really increase conversion. Are you planning to invest in marketing or lead generation strategies in the next 30 to 60 days?
Yeah, as soon as possible right now. So I'm looking into that.
That's great to hear, Namisi. It sounds like you're in a strong position to take action. I'll send you a link to book a strategy session with us where we can dive deeper into tailored solutions for your goals. Keep an eye out for it shortly. Just a sec. I've sent you the booking link. Thanks for your time, Namisi. Looking forward to helping Next Orbit AI grow. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. You can see booking link was sent to my phone. All automatically. It qualified me based on my answers, even gave me some value upfront on the call. And the end of call report is going to be uploaded onto a Google Sheet that we can take a look at together, and VAPI outbound 10. So let's grab that Google Sheet so you can see just how cool and powerful this thing is. Imagine that I was qualified, basically gave me information on my website all within a span of 3 minutes. I didn't wait too long for that call, and immediately it qualified me. So here is a success evaluation. It was true. The customer ended the call, and just give me a quick summary here. So Amber from Conversion Craft called Namisi at Next Orbit AI to discuss potential improvements to their website's lead generation. After noting that the websites could benefit from more visible and user-friendly lead generation forms beyond the existing discovery call CTA, Amber confirmed Namisi's immediate interest in marketing strategies and sent a booking link for a strategy session. And that thing cost me what? 22 cents. So imagine for 22 cents, you're getting a lead that could be potentially generating $1,000 plus dollars. So it's kind of insane where AI is going right now, but you can just see how cool and powerful this thing is. And the potential is just really just amazing if you ask me. So that is one solution where you can qualify leads immediately for a fraction of the cost of what's happening now, so you don't waste your own team's time or anything like that. And this is one solution, and there's many more videos which I'll be producing.